Hi guys, this is Gaurav Mavi and let's begin today's session. So I went through newspaper today. I will tell you few things from the newspaper. Sorry guys, I am also having little bit cough. Last 2 days, I have had this cold, and slowly I am recovering. I also took off for 2 days because of the cold, and today in the morning I wake up right at around 6:30, and then I went for a walk in the garden. It is around 10 minutes a walk from my home. I live on a fourth floor, so uh, I came down via staircase. Our lift is not functioning; it's not working. So using a staircase, I stepped down. I think that is the right way to say it. And then I went to the park. There, I walked for 5 minutes, and then I did five Surya Namaskar for 5 minutes. Sorry, and then I did exercise. I did 50 push-ups, 10 normal, 20 normal push-ups, and then 10 inclined and 20 diamond push-up. And then I did do 50 squats. So that is the workout, and then I did meditation for 10 minutes. So that was the workout that I did today, and then I came back. I didn't have anything in the morning, like when it comes to eating. I didn't have breakfast. I took bath after that, and then I also stood for 10 to 15 minutes in the sunlight, as sunlight is very important for your body. So uh, I stood there in the sunlight, uh, and then my office hour started, and in the morning I went to the newspaper as well. So one of the editorial that I went through was related to government announcement to uh, start rolling of vaccination uh, to HPV disease, which is which causes cervical cancer in the woman. So government is going to start the vaccination for all the girls above 14 years of age, and this will protect them against HPV 16 and 18. So cervical cancer is the most uh, uh, second most uh, prevalent cancer in India in female. It is the highest number of patients of cervical cancer are found in Southeast Asia, and among them, India stands for 66% of the cases. So this, and in year 2022, more than 1.2 lakh new cases were found of HPV of cervical cancer, and around 70,000 women lost their lives. So it's a good initiative. It has been clinically tested as well. Many countries have already started the vaccination, and results are positive from those countries, as it has helped their uh, it has helped in uh, avoiding the cervical cancer. So guys, this is a great initiative by government of India. Now, editorial also mentioned one thing, that it should be, all the information should be in public domain. Nothing should be hidden. For example, in 2009 and 10, when this vaccine was in trial phase, the vaccine shots were administered to uh, some girls, and out of those girls, 7 girls died. Exact cause of their death was not established, but it could have been, it wasn't proved. The reason, we couldn't understand the reason why those girls died. Was it because of vaccination? And I have also personally seen that there is a apprehension about the vaccination among the people, especially related to corona vaccine. With few people that I have interacted, they are saying that this vaccine that were administered to tackle or to stop the spread of coronavirus, those vaccines have caused or are causing other diseases like heart attack, cancer in the people. So it's a cause of concern, and thereby government should uh, come out to government should openly government should be very cautious in when they roll out this vaccine. So all the precautions should be taken into account. So this was about HPV vaccine. Other news is related to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Israel, where Modi ji has extended his full support to the Israel against any kind of terrorism, and Modi ji has condemned the attacks that were made by Hamas. So Hamas is a terrorist organization in Palestine. In 2023, I guess, or yeah, I think 2023, a few terrorists crossed the border and attacked a gathering. Some people gathered in Israel for celebration. Some festival was going on, So those terrorists crossed the Israeli border, and then they killed those innocent people. They fired undiscriminately. So against that, Israel then launched a mission, and that is still going on. Many Palestinians have lost their life, and now a Israel-Palestine peace accord is in progress. India has also attended that as an observer. So now they're making they're taking steps to stop the violence in Palestine and to find the solution for Israel-Palestine issue. Now, Israel had all in past as well been war against Egypt or Syria. They captured, I think, West Bank or some other place from Syria, and they also had fight against Lebanon. Israel is surrounded by these Muslim countries, and it had a past of wars or terrorist attacks from these countries. The war that took place in 1967, I briefly know about it. So in that war, Israel defeated all these countries, including Jordan, Syria, and Lebanon. So Middle East is not a place. It is always something is going on in Middle East. So now let's come back, and do you want to share any other news? Yesterday I was, I think, going through the newspaper, or day before yesterday. Yeah, as per Supreme Court, Aadhaar is a identity proof. As per RP Act 1950, Aadhaar is one of the document which can establish identity of a person. The Supreme Court has ordered to use Aadhaar as an identity document for conducting the SIR. So SIR is a systematic, I think, investigation role or systematic revision. It's a process to revise the role. Role means to find out the voters, to delete the people who have died, or delete the name of the voters who have illegally migrated to country, to find out the genuine voters who are residing in the country. It is that exercise. And to establish the correct voter name, it requires certain documents like ration card or passport, like these document, or voter ID card. Some people do not have those cards, so but they have the Aadhaar card. So for those people only, Supreme Court has directed EC to even consider as Aadhaar also identity proof. But the government is making against this, government is making point that Aadhaar, or the people who have filed the PIL, they are making point that even Aadhaar is getting forged. Duplicate Aadhars are being made. So, which is defeating the exercise of this SIR. So, guys, with this I will freeze this video. Thank you very much. Keep practicing English. Bye bye. In next video, again we'll discuss some news. Okay, or any topics, any current topics. So keep practicing, keep improving your communication skill. Bye bye. Thank you. Jai Hind.